right, now let's go to this. Mark Cuban called you his big miss. Let's take a look at this, y'all, and we're going to talk about that.
Okay.
What do you mean? Making money? Oh, I'm up. Do you think I lose money? You kidding me? Mark, because it's easy, because I got these other sharks. I just beat them into submission.
But Mark, even the sharks have some misses. Is there one that you wish you'd gotten in on?
Oh, yeah. There's this guy, Big Chef, right? And he had these shrimp sandwiches. And one of the things in business, you have to try to stick to what you know. And I don't know shrimp sandwiches from, hot dogs, right? But I like the guy who's a great entrepreneur. He had a great idea. He had the heart behind it. And I passed. And now he went from 200,000 sales just a year ago to over 6 million in sales. Yeah. So that was like, I thought that was.
Listen, you have a brand new deal in real life.
How does that make you feel when you see Mark Cuban, who declined you? How did it come across to you? How did you find out with Mark Cuban? Like, wow, you know what? The billionaire who sit on the Shark Tank said, you know what? I saw you and I missed out on you. How did you feel about that? How did that make you feel?
You know, I watched that live. So I woke up because me and my wife, we love, Good Morning America. And I actually watched that live. I was like, oh, Mark Cuban's coming on to talk about Shark Tank. That's cool. Let's check it out, baby. I'm sitting there watching. They start talking about me. I'm like, what the? I'm like, this is crazy. You know what I'm saying? So it was definitely, that was crazy. That was crazy. And it's been like, for him to put his stamp of approval on what we've done, to broadcast it to such a big audience. It really helped us. It helped us, catapulted us. But, I appreciate what he said, obviously. And, at the time, we didn't need his money. So it was like, I appreciate you, brother. Thank you. Thank you for the props. But I'm pushing now. I'm pushing.